Ano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Seasoning wearing Pampanga. Ngayon pong aldo ngayon ni or ngayon bengi ngayon ni. Invite kami po kay ning soft opening na ning halftime burger Angeles City. Currently sobrang dakal tao kaya we're just gonna wait for our turn. So maninakita mo pong table na ma-free up and then we're gonna check out their burgers, wings. Kasadigan po kayo nito lang unlimited wings. Interesting mo naman. Nakamuran po yung Pampanga kayo ni. So, please be with me. For the meantime, lungta mo po kayong Karelang Kitchen. Gawin tanong po, makanano talang luluto. Kita kabalen, so nung pansinan nyo, biglang minaldo or maging gat panapon pa si Bayo kasi kailangan kong magbalik. The first night, King soft opening there was jam-packed. I had to wait for my table pero masyadong madakalan niya. Ingkewa ko na mo, so may balik ko ngayon ni lamentala ngayon tamo mag sumubok. Oy tatalulub na. So second day after their opening, medyo madakala pa muring waiting in line. So hopefully, ngayon makatakman yung Karelang burgers ng pong Karelang chicken. Alright, there you go guys. So finally, so we had the chance to get our place. Let's start with the burgers. Amanwandang MVP halftime burger. Hindi na typical na talagang order. Although they still have itang classic burger which is I think it's the cheapest, itang 70 pesos. But this guy right here is just 120 pesos. And I'm gonna show you what's inside. Patty, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, cheese, and mayonnaise. So ining 3-pit ay ni is 210 pesos. 3 pieces of pure beef patty. And then of course it's topped with their special cheese. So let me just show you what's inside. Cheese, nachos. It's 110 pesos. One of their best sellers here guys is yung Karelang chicken wings. So for the chicken wings, yung A la Carte na po. For the 4 pieces, it's 90 pesos. For the 6 pieces naman, it's 130 pesos. For the 8 pieces, 170. So if you go for only wings and rice, 249 pesos yung yan. So the drink doesn't come with the order, pero wala ka bisang mag-iced tea, you just want water, so they can actually provide you that. Now, speaking of drinks, ini naman yung Karelang mango graham shake which is 100 pesos, avocado shake which is 120 pesos. Now, take note na potang main order kayo po Kenny, these shakes, fruit shakes doesn't have sugar, so take note of that. Wala pong mayumureni. Expect mo na aliyang mga nitakasweet. Point ka rin is itang original flavor na ning fruit itself. Potang inuman mo na. Right now, I have 3 flavors on my table. So, tinta mo sriracha, garlic. Last one is teriyaki. So, tamantala pa rin yung teriyaki. Oh man. Amazing. Manya. Next one is the garlic. Alright, butter, garlic bits plus garlic powder. So ito. Okay, kaman tayo. Ooh. Wow. Considering the fact na I took this vlog King's second day na ning soft opening daw, and you might probably visit importante grand launch. I guess there will still be some adjustment in terms of service, dining area. Mga siguro may dagdagan na pa rin lugar kasi as I observe, talagang madakal na rin datang. So, there are times na waiting na rin customer. I guess that's a good sign kasi they really want to try it. And I've heard some customers na may satisfy na talaga. Last to try for you guys is yung karelang MVP. But I can tell you guys, hanggang single patty yan nila. But the burger itself is still heavy. Let's taste it. What I like about it, fresh vegetables, tomatoes, al-muslim, caramelized onion, and lettuce, cheese. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. If you're interested to taste ini pong half-time burger, Angeles Pampanga, actually po kayo along Santa Rosario Street. Yung pinaka-landmark kayo ni guys is LA yung Super 8 supermarket. Kita po, dakala salamat kayong pamanalbe. I'm gonna continue eating. If you wanna try, please share it with your friends. Agkachula pong Munta Kenny. This is one of the newest burger store kay ni pong Angeles, if not kay ni Pampanga. So let's try it.